Among the 36 states in Nigeria, you find out that Akwa Ibom has one of the cheapest transportation ever. Let me tell you how I visited this state that has the cheapest transportation means in the whole of Nigeria. If you are new on this channel and you like the kinds of video you watch on this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification so YouTube will always notify you once we upload a new video. I just arrived at Abak right now. You can take a good look of the park and how it is. This is Abak Park. I just arrived with my bro, my fellow Abak YouTuber, Umezu. You can see him over there with his camera. Yeah, so right now we're going to take a bike to AKSU, Akwa Ibom State University, where we'll be staying for the rest of the day. At first, the goal was to stay at least 2 days in Akwa Ibom State, after which we discovered that there is lots of places we want to see, and we would also like to share these awesome places with you. Please stay tuned and watch this video to end, and make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment and share the video if you enjoyed watching. I never believed a place so beautiful like this exists in Nigeria until I visited Akwa Ibom State for the first time. Let's not forget so fast that this state was the former capital territory of Nigeria before it was relocated to Lagos and then after to Abuja FCT. Yes, you heard me very clear. Abak local government is the biggest local government in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Guys, I really have a lot to show you on this video. Please stay tuned and watch this video to end, and let me take you. I will probably say this is the only state with the best government in Nigeria. So we just arrived at the University of Akwa Ibom State Campus 2, Obiakpa local government area. This school is well organized, and one thing I realized about this school is that it is mostly built on the hill. Well, I gave a thought of going inside to learn at least one subject or one course with this student, but then I realized I'm on a mission. Come see the area view of this university. Guys, this is a top notch and also a clean one at that. I also realized that Akwa Ibom State values cleanliness more than every other thing, and also they love religion a lot. While I was busy making videos of this school and the environment at large, I found something very interesting that I would also like to share with you guys. This is a big one. Guys, this is a cow, and we all know what cows are made of, what they can do and what they produce. While I was trying to climb on top of this hill to show you the view of this school through the hill, I met a handsome fellow who guides this cow. And guys, let's listen to his name and what he has to say about this school and the cow at large. Yeah. Come, can I ask you a question? Yeah. Oh, come. I was trying to have a conversation with this handsome fellow, but then I realized I was exhausted because I was still climbing the hill. How are you? My friends are still coming behind.
I'm Musa.
Musa. Oh, these are your farm?
Yes.
Oh,
Belong to this school.
oh, really?
Yes.
The Akwa Ibom?
Yes.
Okay, this is for the school.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for the agricultural
Sure.
student.
Oh, okay. So how long have you been?
Almost 13 or 14 years now.
13, 14 years.
Yes.
Oh, that's.
So
Do you-
how is the growth of the house and how does it start performing from the beginning to this stage? Like
They
how
be
many
like a
years
human
does
being. Where they born and so.
Really?
Like how many
Yes.
years does it take to be like
Before be like this. And this one 4 months be this.
That one?
Yes, 4 months.
the small one
Yes.
Okay.
and the big ones?
Big one almost 3 or 4 years. Like this one.
Yeah.
5 years.
This one 5 years.
Yes.
So you have been in this school till they get better.
Yes.
And you
There
have
before
been the
born.
one
There here before
training
born.
them.
Yes.
That's a nice job.
So do you give them name?
Say,
Do you name them?
no. Can I name this one now? White Fulani be this. We get Muturu.
Muturu?
Now, oh one wow. This one, the local one be the Muturu.
Yeah.
Small one.
Mm.
What does it here?
No. That one down there.
Oh.
So that's the color one. Kampala.
The small one.
No.
Okay, the colored one.
Kampala.
Oh,
Yes.
Kampala.
We call all the Sokoto Ferraris.
Okay, all of them, Sokoto
Yes,
Fulares. Wow. That's good.
They only eat grass, or they have
Sure.
another special food for
No.
them. Only grass. So grass
After we
keep them
can
growing.
water, maintain water.
Oh.
Okay. Grass keep them growing to this extent. Wow.
And I think they have 4 chamber stomach. Do they have? They are ruminant animal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is there anything like river? How do you give them water? Like,
When they chop their food, as a now, they won't run alone, go to stream. Straight.
okay,
When
there's a
them
stream here.
Stream there, down.
Oh.
When they drink water, they don't go to
A big
that
stream.
one. Big stream there. That's look. Look there.
Oh,
Stream there. There.
okay.
Our fellow out there for that side. When they drink water, finish, they run.
Okay.
When them chop up, when the time exactly 12 o'clock, they don't start to do.
They go there by themselves.
Sure. When them very good, they go by.
So, apart from this cow, are they hunt? Like, are they harmful?
Harmful.
Yes.
For like how they wound someone.
Now, what be that? In the fight,
Jesus.
they don't do
But they can't fight you guys. Are you?
No.
They can't fight.
They tabi all.
They sabi.
I hope that you see we have this kind of idea that you guys usually use charm to control them. Is it true?
Some people used to say that you guys use jab to control.
No. Jam not there.
Jab.
It be like man, if you get begin now, begin don't sabi you now. Why fight with you now? See, all the animals know us now.
They know you as their.
Sure.
Let me say, they know you as their father.
As
So
a
you are the
leader.
one who control.
If I want to rule them now, if I carry it up direct, they don't go.
Seriously.
Carry it direct.
Wow.
I'm not gonna. They won't stay in one place.
You know, some people, some novice think that always think that it's charm that you guys used to use and control the cows.
No jam.
Like, is this the general language they that all
Yes,
the
they
cows,
sabi
that's the
all the
language.
cows, even at the back now, the one where our people they hold out.
They don't know the meaning of that. They know the meaning, right?
Yes. Steady. If the don't top beautiful now, when I started to up, I go to that.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. What do you say your name is again?
Mosa.
Musa.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
That one is Brazil.
Your colleague.
I am good luck. We are
You
used to
people.
that.
No.
We are from Ibom.
Yes.
We are from Ibom State.
Okay, we'll go check out the stream.
Yes.
Maybe later in the day. Good evening.
Go straight through this road. Stream there.
Oh,
You go right there, stream another stream there. Yes. And
Thank you very much.
all right. No, thank you so much.
okay.
Visiting the school wasn't the only thing we tried out showing you. Guys, we also went to the Abak local government area to see the structure of the local government building. Abak is one of the local government areas in Akwa Ibom State. It was created in September 1987 from Cross River State. It was later subdivided into other local government areas. While taking a walk inside the local government area, we saw so many statues molded in the local government area, which beautifies it to be one of the best in south region of Nigeria.
Hello guys, we are currently in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Currently now we are in Abak local government headquarters in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. So we are here to review and show you guys all the things that you can see inside Abak local government. So currently now, look around here. They connected their local government very well. So we are here to give you a latest video from our YouTube channel.
If you love the video you just watched now, please consider subscribing to this channel and also subscribe to Emezu for more interesting travel vlog videos. Stay tuned and bye for now.